Do you want to make your TikTok posts stand out with more than just a video? Adding multiple photos to your TikTok is super easy, and it's a great way to tell a story, showcase a gallery, or share a series of moments all in one post. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to upload multiple photos and create a stunning slideshow that'll grab your followers' attention. Firstly, you'll want to hop over to your App Store or the Google Play Store and make sure that your TikTok app is fully updated to the latest version. That way we'll be sure that we have this feature in our TikTok app. After this step, open the TikTok app and we'll start by tapping on this plus button at the bottom center of the screen. This is going to open our TikTok camera where we want to swipe in order to select the video option. The next step is to click on the photo gallery button at the bottom right corner of the screen, which will then open our photo gallery where we want to select the photos for our TikTok video. I'm going to click on the Photos section at the top, which will filter out all the photos from my photo gallery, and just tap on the top right of the photo from your camera roll in order to select it and add it to your TikTok slideshow. You can add up to 35 photos in a single TikTok slideshow, and I can do a tutorial on how you can add more than 35 photos, so leave a like on this video if you want to see that. After you select the photos from the photo gallery, simply add a description to your slideshow, the hashtags, add a song, and all those other things which you usually do before uploading a TikTok. Thanks for watching this video, everyone, and I'll see you soon.